Hey guys! Hey y'all! Hey everybody! Alright, I'm back with another makeup tutorial today. And today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different than what I normally do. I know it's been a hot minute since I've been on here, but I've just been really busy with school working towards my nursing degree, so that's that. So today, I got some new lip glosses. I'm going to be using this one today. It's the Katy Perry CoverGirl Katy Cat Gloss in the shade Cantaloupe. There we go, I couldn't find it. Looks like this. So yeah, I'm also going to be using a red lipstick today. It's very pretty and deep. We're gonna focus. Focus on me. Focus on me. I don't think it's gonna focus. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so I've already got my lip gloss on. Well, not lip gloss, like balm, chapstick kind of thing. I don't know if you can tell. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with my foundation. And I'm going to go in with my Fit Me Matte Poreless shade. It's in the shade 102. I still have some of this left. It's my Fair Porcelain one. But yeah, I'm going to be... Oh, did y'all notice my shirt? It's a spooky Halloween shirt. See? It's got my initials on it. Oh, also, did you notice I colored my hair? And I got this little headband with little, I guess, cat ears. I don't know what kind of ears they are. Maybe like deer ears? I don't know, but it's cute and I'm gonna use it. Okay, so sorry about that. I'm going to, oh wait, I need to wipe this off. I had swatches on my hand and my lipstick. I was like, which lipstick should I do today? And I was swatching all of them, but I need that hand to put on my foundation now, so gotta wipe it off, wax on, wax off. If I'll get that reference, comment down below. Alrighty do. I'm going to use my wet beauty blender and I'm going to put this all over the face. Don't I look cute? Look like a freaking alien, but you know what? That's okay. I can identify as an alien. I'm using my, I know I already said I'm using my old one, but I'm using it today because I just feel like I'm getting paler in the winter. So that's why I'm using my lighter one. My grandma's watching Hallmark movies. It's the Good Witch Marathon and I've never seen the movies before. But I took a break just for you guys to come do this video. Oh, also, I don't know if you can tell, but I have dye from where I dyed my hair today. Well, Miss Beverly dyed my hair today. So yeah, I've got a little bit of dye up here and a little bit of dye over here, so... But that's okay. Y'all don't care, do you? I mean, if you do, you know, comment down below and I won't film again when I have dye on my face, but, you know, that's just how life works. You live once and then you die. Get it? Die. I hope I didn't get stuff from my new shirt. This is new, by the way. My mom got it as a surprise for me. I love it so much. It's so cute. Okay. I think that's blended okay. Nope, it's not. No, you know what? That's the dye. That's why it looks weird. That's why it won't blend. Hold on. Yeah, that's the dye all over my face. Okay. So we'll just roll with the punches. So let me find all my brushes. Oh wait, I need to put on concealer. Duh. I don't know why, I just like completely forgot about that. By the way, I found this like holy grail concealer from the dollar store. What am I talking about? The drugstore. It is from Joa. It is the Dark Circle Concealer from K Beauty, and it is in the shade of Porcelain. It looks like this. Alright, and I'll be using that underneath my eyes today. Let me lift this one up. Alright. See, that was easy, and it covered up on my dark circles so far. The only thing I don't like about this is it creases a little bit too easy, but other than that, it works just fine for me. Alright, now I'm going to be taking, if I can find it, oh god, there's something in my eye. Every freaking time. Okay, I think I got it out. Let me take out all my brushes so I can dig through this mess of a bag to find what I need. There it is. I found it already. I'm here. Okay. It is, I think I've used this before on my channel, but it is the Maybelline Brightening Creamy Concealer in the shade Fair. There we go. Oh, by the way, do y'all like my nails? I did them myself. Yes. Them myself. Okay. Here we go. Alright, now we're going to, oops, I just put it on the wrong way. We're going to blend that in with the Beauty Blender, and then we will move on to the eyes, my favorite part. Alright, now that my face is nice and pale, we're going to take, let's do the eyes first, and then we'll bronze and highlight and blush and mascara and lipstick. So yeah. I'm going to take, first I'm going to take the On the Rocks palette from W7, and, excuse me, I just had gumbo. And I'm going to take the shade, oh, you know what, I'm going to use the brush that comes in the palette because I like it for once. I like a brush that comes in the palette. Okay, it is, let me brush off all the excess. I was doing makeup with my girls, Jackie and Cassidy, last night, and we kind of, you know, went wild with the makeup, and there's still some on here. It's like a makeup hangover. Okay, so I'm going to take Moscato, which is the shade right here. Got that nice transition shade on that eye. Now we're going to do the other. So lately I've been thinking about my grandfather a lot, and I think everybody's just kind of realizing that he's gone. And it's really hard because, you know, he was always around. He was always around to take my grandmother places and do stuff with her, and they would talk, and now she's like really focused on just like cleaning stuff up and getting it organized and everything, and I think that's the only way that's like it's keeping her busy. But yeah, I'm not gonna sit here and have a sob story. I'll move on and we'll do the eyes. Okay, now I'm taking Curacao, the shade right here. Okay, and I'm going to put that in the crease. There we go. Now I'm going to take let's do a little bit more of the blue, the Curacao, however you pronounce it, and put that in the crease again. Okay, we're done with the blue, and now I'm going to take this brush right here, and I'm going to dip into Espresso Martini right here. There. Where is my... There, finally I found it. Okay. Cut to me like freaking out because I can't find anything in my bag. Oh no, I gotta look at the mirror. Hold on. That just made it worse. 1 second, technical difficulties. Okay, here we go. Alright, I really like this look, y'all. Okay, so now I'm going to wipe off that brush, and we're going to use the same brush and go into the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. Okay, now we're going to take, let's do Chocolate Gold. No. Gold Dipped, right here. This one. I'm going to put that in the center of the eye. Now we're going to blend that out using this brush. Okay, this is the look so far. I think it looks pretty snazzy. And so now I'm going to take the shadow glue. Well, let's do the lower lash line first. So I'm going to take my smudge detailer brush, and I'm going to take, I can't decide. Okay, I'm going to take the maraschino cherry color and do a, excuse me again, a maroon under eye, this one right here. Well, heck. I can't keep the mirror open and the brush is falling out. My life's falling apart. I'm sorry. Alright, now I've got that on, and I'm going to take my shadow glue and put on some gold glitter. Weren't expecting that, were you? Huh? Okay. Like the tiniest bit. Now I'm going to take this mirror, the Too Faced mirror, and I'm going to put that on the eye. Alright guys, I'm back. But sorry about that. My camera was like card full, but I didn't see it until after I put on the glitter. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. All I did was take my BH glitter right here, and after I put on the shadow glue, I just took my finger in. Sorry, I feel like there's a hair on my face. I tapped my finger into the glitter and I just patted it on the lid, and I think it turned out pretty well. I mean, for a, like, I think this is more like a night look, like when you're going out in town kind of vibe. But yeah, or going to a concert. That'd be a good look for the concert, for a concert. My bad. But yeah, so let's put on some bronzer and some blush and some highlighter and some lipstick and mascara, and we'll be finished. Tap tap, and alright, got that, got that blush on the cheeks, and now we're going to take some bronzer. This, I'm going into my e.l.f. palette, and it looks like this, and I'm going to tap into this bronze shade right here. with this brush. Couldn't find it. This one right here. Oh, this mirror is dirty. I'm just gonna look in here because this mirror is way too dirty. Oh, this bronzer is so patchy. I've never done my bronzer with this before, but it's like, it's terrible. You can see the brown spots like on my head where it like attached to the foundation. But you know what? We're just gonna keep on going, keep on working through it. Trying to bring some color back into the face, and then it didn't work. Gosh dang it. Okay, I got bronzer on. Now we're going to do, y'all guess what I'm going to do next. I'll wait. Highlighter. I'm actually going to be using my e.l.f. highlighter today. No, I'm going to use my Master Crayon. Here we go. Because it needs a bit of shine. Like a star. Have y'all seen A Star Is Born? Oh my gosh. It is just, it's heavy and deep. It's like a love story. Y'all seen the trailer, I'm sure. But yeah, it's like a love story, and I'm not gonna give away the ending, but it made me cry a lot. And I don't cry in movies, except for the God's Not Dead movie. That was like really powerful too. So yeah. Alright, now it's time for mascara. Other eye, here we come. Alright, there we go. And I'm going to put on my lipstick and my gloss, and we shall be finished. What am I talking about? I think we're not gonna put on the gloss today because it's already kind of shiny enough. But I mean, yeah, this is a finished look, you guys. How do you like it? I like it a lot. I'm sure you like it a lot. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, ring the notification bell, like and subscribe to my channel, and share it with all your friends. Alright guys, see ya!